Hello friends, I'd like to share with you a new box that I just recently ordered. It's called the Writer's Block Box, where inspiration awaits, and it's author by design. So let me just show you what's in my box. So I've already kind of gone into it and looked in, but I wanted to share it with you. Now this is specifically for romance writers. This particular box, it says, "Hello, fellow writer. We want to say thank you for your order and welcome you to our community of writers. We are thrilled to have you here and look forward to getting to know you better." And this is from author and owner Connie Baldry. So thank you, Connie. So this is really for romance writers. And so one of the first things is this beautiful bookmark. It says, "In the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity." And so that's a beautiful bookmark. Here is a writing prompt deck, Romance Edition. And this is to help with writer's block. When you are writing your romance novel, it has different scenes in this deck to help you with your descriptive writing. And it has all of these different scenes to help you be able to describe various scenes, characters, and things like that. So that's a great thing to have. Here are some stickers to help you when you're looking at your word count. It says all words count. So that's beautiful. And then here's a Romance Builder Mini, a step-by-step workbook to building romance, author by design. And so this is to help you get started. I'm going to look forward to using this in 2025 because that is when I'm going to get back on my romance writing. It says every romance story contains certain elements. The following pages are your workspace to create your romantic masterpiece. As always, the sky's the limit. Go write some love and have fun. So it talks about elements, tropes, for you to take some notes, character building. Oh, wow. And you could break down your characters, create a character sketch, some different adjectives to help you describe your characters and help you take notes. So this is great. That'll be a great little tool to use. So I will hold that. So then here's a writer's block box, and it tells you about the special edition for this particular box and what it has in it and everything. Probably should have pulled this out first, but that's okay. And so it just breaks everything down and answers questions for you. And there is a romance writer, Bernadette Marie, and she has helped lay out this particular box. And then this is her book. I cannot wait to read this. It is The Happily Ever After Bookstore. Sometimes love needs a little shove. So you have your copy of her book, and it is signed. So that's very beautiful. Beautiful book. All right. And then we have Romance Scene Builder Mini, a step-by-step workbook to building romance scenes. And so there's the introduction, and then it just gives you more tools to use when you are writing your romance book. And then we have some sort of, I guess it could be a bracelet or it could be a bookmark. I think it's probably a bookmark. And it has like a little champagne glass on it. Oh, look at there. That is so cute. I'm probably going to use it as a bookmark. And then there's another little bookmark with a heart on it. So very, very cute. There was another author who was talking about this particular book set that you could get, and I will link her bio in the description because she has a lot of great information for traditional writers and self-published writers. I'm looking forward to self-publishing my romance novel probably in the next year or two. I have some of it written, but I'm sure I have a long way to go. But thank you for joining me today as I shared my box with you, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I will link this box in the description just in case you want to get one too. All right, friends, take care.